Welcome everyone to First Steps Jeopardy. There are 5 categories: general, emergency, medical, helplines, and resources. And of course, there will be a final Jeopardy. Can we start with general for 100, please? The Georgia Home Visiting Program was formerly known as Great Start Georgia. Can I have general for 200, please? The mission of First Steps is to provide universal support services for all expectant parents and children birth to age 5 and their families. May I have general for 300, please? First Step Services provides families with a local resource guide, referrals to relevant resources, and information in what 6 categories? Maternal health, newborn and child health, home and child safety, community and family safety, school readiness, and family economic self-sufficiency. General for 400, please. The goals of First Step Georgia are to provide expectant parents and families with children ages birth to 5 with current information on topics of interest and relevance to the family, information on community resources relevant to the family, and services to strengthen the protective factor to strengthen concrete connections that will promote maternal and infant health. May I have general for 500, please? As of the year 2017, how many counties in the state of Georgia are served by First Steps? A total of 34 counties are currently being served by First Steps. On this graphic right here, each county you see listed with a footprint inside of it is currently being served by First Steps Georgia. Emergency for 100, please. In the event of a life-threatening emergency, who should you call? Ghostbusters? No. 911. Emergency for 200, please. Where can you receive 24/7 information and resources on domestic violence, sexual assault, dating violence, and stalking? The Crisis Line and Safe House. The phone number is 478-745-9292. Emergency for 300, please. True or false? The phone number to the Bibb County Sheriff's Office is 478-746-9441. You can find this number listed inside of the First Steps Local Community Resource Guide. However, the number is false. The guide needs to be updated, and the current number is 751-7500. You can find the information listed on the Bibb County Sheriff's website. And here you see a graphic directly from the Bibb County Sheriff's Office listing the current number at the bottom. Again, that number is 478-751-7500. May I have emergency for 400, please? What is the distance from United Way of Central Georgia to the nearest Macon-Bibb County Fire Department? Is it A, 0.7 miles, B, 1.2 miles, or C, 1.75 miles? The answer is B, 1.2 miles. It is located at 800 Oglethorpe Street in Macon, Georgia, and the phone number is 478-751-9213. Emergency for 500, please. Which emergency resource has the available services to provide shelter, food, and clothing to the local community? The Rescue Mission of Middle Georgia. May I have medical for 100, please? If an uninsured client needed to establish a medical home and a primary care physician, who might you refer them to? The answer is First Choice Primary Care. They are located at 770 Walnut Street in Macon, Georgia, and the phone number is 478-787-4266. Medical for 200, please. Which resource can assist individuals in finding affordable health care insurance, to include the Affordable Care Act, Medicaid, and CHIP, which is the Children's Health Insurance Program? That resource is Insure Georgia. Their website is www.insurega.org, and their toll-free phone number is 1-866-988-8246. May I have medical for 300, please? A young boy has a painful cavity and needs dental services, but his mother cannot afford dental insurance. Where can you refer them to? You can refer them to the Macon Volunteer Clinic. They are located at 376 Rogers Avenue, Macon, Georgia. The phone number is 478-755-1110. And here is a graphic on the Macon Volunteer Clinic showing the 2016 clinical outcomes. There were a total of 5,811 patients seen. They do eye exams, cancer screenings, they can provide prescription medication, and they also have adult and pediatric dental services. Medical for 400, please. Which hospital system in Georgia is ranked in the top 3, has 34 locations, 53 specialties, and over 7,500 team members? If you guessed Navicent Health, you would be correct. Here on this slide, you see the many specialties offered by Navicent Health. They have prevention and rehabilitation, adult medicine, diagnostics, children's services, outpatient and urgent care, post-acute care, a physician's group, women's services, cancer services, general services, as well as many regional partners. Medical for 500, please. What is the name of the community resource represented in this picture? If anybody guessed Macon Bibb County Health Department, you would be correct. Helplines for 100. Dial blank to speak with a referral specialist who will help you locate programs and services in your area 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is a 3-digit number. And that number is 211. Helplines for 200, please. What number can a Georgia resident call to find quality rated childcare in their area? Is it A, 1-800-FIND-CARE, or B, 1-877-ALL-GA-KIDS? The answer is B. Quality Childcare Finder can be called at the numbers 1-877-ALL-GA-KIDS or 877-255-4254. May I have helplines for 300, please? The term GLSP stands for what agency? Is it A, Georgia Lottery System for Preschoolers, B, Georgia Legal Services Program, C, Georgia Local and State Police, or D, Georgia Language and Speech Pathologist? The answer is Georgia Legal Services Program, number B. Letter B. Helplines 400, please. The 211 helpline has several ways to access their resources and services other than by telephone. What are they? You can search the 211 online database, contact your local United Way, or if you have trouble connecting, you can dial 1-866-680-8924. 211 is also equipped to serve the hearing impaired and can accommodate most languages. And helplines for 500, please. Can anyone tell me the origin of this nationally acclaimed phone number? The phone number is 1-800-273-8255. And a hint, it's the name of a popular pop song. It is the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. Again, that number is 1-800-273-8255. Resources for 100, please. Name at least 3 community resources that can offer low to no cost clothing, household supplies, and furniture. That would be Goodwill Industries, Salvation Army Thrift Store, Habitat for Humanity Restore, Family Advancement Ministries, and Rescue Mission of Middle Georgia. Resources again, 200. A mother has just given birth to her infant child and needs a car seat to take her child home. What resources could you connect her with? There are 2 resources in the local area. The first one is Family Advancement Ministries, and the second one is Safe Kids of Central Georgia. May I have resources for 300, please? Bibb County has several housing and homeless service centers. Name 2 of them. First one is the Rescue Mission of Middle Georgia. Next is the Salvation Army, Daybreak, as well as Loaves and Fishes. Resources, 400. The Middle Georgia Regional Library offers story time to parents and their children. What day and time is it offered at Washington Memorial? Toddler time is on Wednesdays at 9:30. All ages can come Thursdays at 10:30, and there's a time for families on Saturdays at 10:30 a.m. And resources for 500, please. Blank is a private, nonprofit agency established in 1957 by the Junior League of Macon and the United Way of Central Georgia to help strengthen individuals and families in times of stress. The answer is the Family Counseling Center of Central Georgia. Last but not least, it's time for Final Jeopardy! United Way of Central Georgia serves a total of 14 counties. Can you name them all? The 14 counties are as follows: Bibb County, Houston, Peach, Jones, Monroe, Twiggs, Washington, Wilkinson, Putnam, Jasper, Baldwin, Hancock, Crawford, and Macon County. And that concludes it for Final Jeopardy! Thank you for playing First Steps Jeopardy! Hope you enjoyed it.